Hey, how you doing? My name's Dylan. I'm with Supreme Restorations. Out here on Mr. Cooke's roof, about to do a repair. Today is June 11th, 2025. 83 degrees out. We got a hot one. Claim number is 07555-40374. We are about to do a repair on this shingle here with the crease line at the top, going all the way across that. And I want to point something out to you guys real quick to start. This shingle length is about 36 inches here across, and it is about 5 inches, exposure.
Yep.
If we go up here to the one we are using to replace it with, it is about a little over 39 inches across, so we got about 3 inches longer. And the exposure itself is about 5.5. So it's longer in exposure and longer in length. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna give it an attempt because y'all requested it.
Well, I'll tell you how it's going to go because we're going to show them all the other repairs that were done on the roof afterwards.
Yeah. So make sure it's all loose.
Set course.
Need like a rubber grip or something for that.
I got you, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah. That should pull out. There you go.
Perfect.
You know, I already see little some creasing going on and granular loss at the top. As a matter of fact, why don't we just show them that real quick?
Yeah, zoom in on that.
Okay. Now the problem here is you'd have to cut this shingle down to actually fit in there the right way, as you can see. And if you cut it down, it voids the manufacturer warranty.
So that is the best fit.
Yeah, you gotta do it. You gotta do the best you can do.
So if you don't mind.
Yeah, man.
So if you get up close on this, as you can see, it does go about a ½ inch lower, and that is where the sealant strip is. So if we cut that off, it would not seal proper.
What happens if you cut the top off, Dylan?
If we cut the top off, then we're removing the nail holes.
Nail zone, yeah.
The nail zone, yes. And also could cause
Seal
it.
transfer.
Yep, mat transfer is gonna cause issues. Turn that back over.
Yes, sir.
You mind holding this one for me?
You got it, buddy.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little awkward to get my right foot up.
I gotcha. We're about at the point where you're gonna need gloves moving forward.
Oh yeah, it's getting hot.
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, one more
Yep,
time.
one more. Yep.
Yeah, let's slide right out.
Yep, I got you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Oh man. All right.
You hold this one too, actually.
Yeah.
If you got it. Thank you.
Yep.
This should be the last one.
Oh my, yeah.
And I'm not even gonna touch those shingles yet. You can already see up at the top, starting over here, it's starting to all the way. And if I just barely,
I would give it a gentle swipe. And it's just gonna look a lot better.
Yep. I'll just get up close without, and then you can see just lightly touching that. You see the line coming through all the way. These shingles are very brittle. In my professional opinion, this roof is non-repairable. And if we flip around over here, you see
You take it, you got the boots on. Show them the previous.
So we have a repair all around the skylights, as you can tell. And it is around both, going all the way through the center.
I would show
And if you look at the two courses right above it, you can already see that these also failed trying to put this repair in. These are heavy creases going across the entire top two courses. Look at those cracks. Yeah. Those are some big creases. There is damage all over this roof. And like I said, in my professional opinion, this roof is non-repairable. I appreciate your time.